How to install the Reddit pixel on WordPress using PixelYourSite. This is a demo dashboard, and this is the PixelYourSite plugin. I already have the Reddit add-on installed. Keep in mind that Reddit works when you install a dedicated add-on, and you need PixelYourSite main plugin, free version or paid version, and the Reddit add-on. You can get the Reddit add-on from PixelYourSite.com. It's not a free plugin. We need to survive, so we try to sell this as an extra option. However, you might have it for free if you have all access license, or if you have the new PixelYourSite Advanced 10 domain license and Agency 100 domain license. The new versions include every extra add-on for the plugin. Now, I have Reddit installed here, and what I need to do now is to add my Pixel ID in this field. And to get it, go here, Events Manager, and simply copy the ID. This is the ID, add it here, and save. It's that easy. This version of the add-on has support for Pixel events, so browser events. We plan to add support for API events soon. When I record this video, we don't have API events supported yet. Now, what will happen next? We will fire events on every page, the default event, the page view event. We will fire all the e-commerce specific events for WooCommerce and Easy Digital downloads. If you have Easy Digital downloads on your website, if you have WooCommerce, we will fire WooCommerce events. You can also enable our extra events from here. So check this box and save. It means that we will track all sorts of actions that you can control from here, automatic events like internal clicks, videos from YouTube or Vimeo, telephone links. There are a lot of actions we can track. So those events will start to send data to Reddit, and you can use them to create, for example, custom audiences and retarget those segments of your audience. This is just an example. And you can also configure your own events from this dedicated page, like configure a new event. If you use PixelYourSite, if you are familiar with the plugin, it works like all our other compatible tags or pixels. So from here you can create your own event. We have various triggers. You can track anything you want, and then here enable this event for Reddit, select what event you want to fire, and so on. It can be custom name, or a standard name. So this is what you can do what you have the Reddit pixel installed. Fire your own events, track WooCommerce with our default events. You can configure and customize them from here. For example, value, what value to use for the purchase event, and so on. Once you do so, you'll start to see data here in the Events Manager, and you can also start to test your events to confirm that they work. But I will make a separate video about how to test your Reddit pixel events. For now, this is it. Thank you for watching. If you want the Reddit add-on, it's available on PixelYourSite.com. You can get it as a single product and use it with your free or paid version of PixelYourSite, or you can get it with our all access licenses, or with our current offer for PixelYourSite Advanced and Agency licenses. Thank you for watching. Take care.